just in the workshop here today, and I'm going to paint up this mirror and this terrible looking frame. These are really, really old, and I want to bring back the gold and also a little bit of patina with this blue, which is sea glass. So rather than using my masking tape in little itty bitty bits around this edge, I've got this old pack of playing cards, or you can pick up a new pack. They cost about $1 from the $2 shop. As you can see, I'm just placing them in and around this edge, and on this mirror it's going in, oops, really easily, because there's a gap here, and because these are all nice and slippery. And then what I'm going to do to some of them is just put a bit of tape and tape them down like this, and then paint all of that. And the cool thing about using these playing cards, if I get one out of the pack, is they're hard and tough and slippery. So even though you paint over them, you know how sometimes you put paper through there and then you try and pull it out, it just breaks. With these playing cards, because they're tough, you can pull them out really easily, and they don't break, which is really, really cool. So this is my lucky last one. It's a bit tight there, but all good. There's my frame, all done, ready to paint. This one's pretty goldy actually, so might just use the sea glass over it, whereas this one I'm going to do some metallic gold cream. I'm going to do chalk paint first, then metallic gold cream, and then some of the sea glass over it. So yeah, I'll let you know once they're finished and show you the final results. See ya.